In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to transfer Google Play Games data to iOS and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question, what we can do is open up the Play Store on our Android device and in here, sign into the account where you want to transfer the data from. If you click on your icon at the top right corner of the screen, you will be able to access your apps and your device settings. And over here, while you can manage settings and even share apps, you will notice that the feature to share apps is only between Android devices running the Play Store at the same time. In here, there is no option to connect to an iOS device and transfer your data. Even if we click on our profile picture once again and we head into the help and feedback session, we look for iOS, you will notice that no article related to transferring data from Android to iOS pops up. If we look up transfer data, we will only have the option to switch to a new Android device, and as you can see once again, nothing related to transferring to iOS. So, as of today, is there any workaround to this? And is there a method to transfer our data from the Play Store games to an iOS device? Sadly, as it stands today, it is impossible to transfer data from Google Play Games to iOS. You will only be able to transfer data from games that you play on Android if they have a way to transfer inside of the game itself, for example, signing into the same account. Besides the game itself allowing you to transfer data, it is impossible to transfer to the Play Store or the App Store. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware of the limitations of transferring data from the Google Play games. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.